In the vast, silent tapestry of space lurks an entity so profound, it warps reality itself. This is the black hole, the universe's ultimate mystery, where the laws of physics simply break down. Imagine a point of no return, where gravity's grip is so absolute, not even light can escape. This boundary is called the event horizon, the ultimate cosmic one-way street. But what creates these monstrous gravitational titans? The answer lies in the violent death of a massive star. When a giant star exhausts its fuel, it collapses under its own immense weight, shrinking past a critical point until it becomes infinitely dense. A singularity. From this point, a black hole is born, a devourer of worlds and time itself. There are different types: stellar mass, intermediate, and the supermassive giants. These supermassive black holes reside at the heart of nearly every galaxy, including our own Milky Way. Our galaxy's central black hole, Sagittarius A star, is 4 million times the mass of our Sun. It quietly holds our galaxy together, a cosmic anchor in the endless drift. So, what would happen if you fell into a black hole? The experience would be horrifying. As you approach the event horizon, time itself would begin to distort. To an outside observer, you would appear to slow down, fading into an eternal freeze frame. But for you, the fall continues, accelerating toward oblivion. Your body would be stretched and elongated, a process known as Spaghettification. The gravity pulling your feet would be vastly stronger than the pull on your head. Eventually, you would be torn into individual atoms, stretched into an infinitely thin string. Beyond the event horizon, the journey ends at the singularity, a point of infinite density, where all matter and all information are compressed into a single, dimensionless spot. But black holes are not entirely black. They emit a faint radiation, slowly evaporating over eons. This Hawking radiation means they are not eternal. Black holes are cosmic engines, shaping galaxies and birthing new stars from their massive outflows. They are not just destroyers, but architects. They play a vital role in cosmic evolution. The study of black holes pushes the boundaries of human knowledge, unraveling the very fabric of reality. What other secrets do these ultimate voids hold? The universe waits patiently for our understanding.